Welcome to Computer Graphics online lecture. Myself Poonam Jadhav from Viva College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today's presentation on chapter number 1, Basics of Computer Graphics. In this topic we are learning definition of computer graphics, image and object, pixel and resolution, text mode and graphics mode, basic graphics pipeline, bitmap and vector based graphic, and application of computer graphics. Computer graphics. Computer graphic is art of a drawing pictures, line, chart, etc. using computer with the help of computer program. Also, computer graphics is process of generating, manipulating, storing and display image. इसका ये मतलब है कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स यूज करने के बाद हम कोई भी पिक्चर्स, सीन्स, इमेज, लाइन, चार्ट, कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम इस्तेमाल करके ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. सो लेट टेक अ एग्जांपल ऑफ CAD, कंप्यूटर एडेड software language. By using this language, you can draw the big machines, building, architecture easily using that CAD software. Okay. Also, अगर हम लोग कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक यूज कर सकते हैं तो इमेज को जनरेट करना, उसे मैनिपुलेट करना, स्टोर करना, डिस्प्ले करना बहुत इजी हो जाता है. Computer graphic is one of the most effective and commonly used way to communicate the processed information to the user. It displays the information in form of graphics, objects such as a picture, chart, graphs and diagram instead of the simple text. इसका मतलब ये है अगर आप कोई टेक्स्ट पढ़ रहे हो तो वो बहुत बोरिंग हो जाता है. इंस्टेड अगर आप यूज करते हो कोई भी पिक्चर, चार्ट, ग्राफिक, वो पढ़ने में इंटरेस्टिंग भी लगता है और वो बोर भी नहीं होता है. नेक्स्ट A maximum number of pixels that can be displayed without the overlap on a monitor screen. It is called screen resolution. If an image has m rows and n columns, then its resolution can be defined as m into n. So let's take one example. If an image resolution 800 into 600 means 800 pixels in each row and 600 pixels in each column, and that particular image contain 4,80,000 पिक्सल्स. आप पिक्सल में और रेजोल्यूशन में कंफ्यूज मत हो. रेजोल्यूशन का मतलब है जो रोज होते हैं और कॉलम्स होते हैं वो, और पिक्सल का मतलब ये है कि कॉलम्स एंड रोज को इनटू कर दिया तो जो वैल्यू आती है उसे बोला जाता है पिक्सल्स. तो रेजोल्यूशन मीन्स टोटल नंबर ऑफ काउंट रोज एंड कॉलम्स. Now, higher is the pixel resolution, the higher is quality of the image. Everyone knows that. See the image. 2 into 2 is very blur image, and 100 into 100 is very clear and a smooth image. Means that अगर आपका पिक्सल रेजोल्यूशन अच्छा हो तो आपकी इमेज की क्वालिटी भी क्या होती है, बहुत स्मूथ और क्लियर होती है. नेक्स्ट वन इज डिस्प्ले मोड. So there is a two mode, text mode and graphics mode. Text mode screen is internally represented as text instead of a pixel. Screen is divided in rectangular grid. It's also called cell. Each cell is capable to show bold a single character only. Text mode is a personal computer display setting that divides the display screen into 25 rows and 80 columns in order to display text without the image. Text mode is also known as a character mode or alphabetical mode. तो ये जो टेक्स्ट मोड है इसमें स्क्रीन डिवाइड की जाती है इन अ रेक्टेंगुलर फॉर्म. उसे ही बोला जाता है ग्रिड और सेल. एंड ये पर्टिकुलर एक सेल जो होता है वो कैपेबल होता है, शो करता है वो बोल्ड सिंगल कैरेक्टर. सो पर्सनल कंप्यूटर डिस्प्ले सेटिंग में स्क्रीन डिवाइड की जाती है इनटू 25 रोज एंड 80 कॉलम्स टू डिस्प्ले अ टेक्स्ट ओनली. Display mode. The other part is graphic mode. Graphic mode is a computer display mode that generates image using pixels. In graphics mode, screen is internally represented as a grid of a pixel. Graphics mode supports more smooth shapes and fonts. Graphical object like circle, line, triangle, etc. जो ग्राफिकल मोड में आपकी स्क्रीन डिवाइड की जाती है इनटू द पिक्सल, और ऑब्जेक्ट यूज्ड होते हैं लाइक सर्कल, line and a triangle. In next slide, we see the example of it. In a text mode, screen is divided into the rows and columns in a rectangular form. So 25 rows and 80 columns in a text mode, and in a graphics mode the screen is divided into the pixels. So 480 rows and 640 columns in a graphics mode. Now, type of graphics. There are two types of graphics. One is a bitmap and second one is a vector. So bitmap or raster graphics are made up of as a series of tiny dots called a pixel. Each pixel is actually a very small square that is assigned a color and then arranged in a pattern form the image. In a vector mode, vector graphics is the use of polygons to represent image in a computer graphics. Vector graphic is uses mathematical formulas to draw a line and curves that can combine to create image. These lines lead to the location called control points, nodes and anchor points. So basically the bitmap graphics is create the image or represent the image using the pixels. And in a vector graphics, the image is represented by the using mathematical formula. For example, the lines, curves, and combination of that, it's create one image. Let's see the example of a bitmap and a vector-based graphics. You can clearly see over here. In a vector image, very smooth and clear, and in a bitmap there is a pixel representation and the border is zigzag. So now the differentiate between the bitmap and a vector based graphics. Let's see first bitmap graphics. Point number 1, represent scenes using a pixel. Vector graphic represent a scenes using a mathematical formulas. In bitmap graphic, second point, bitmap graphic is a resolution dependent. So the scale is well. In vector graphics, vector graphic is a resolution dependent, so the scaling is very good. Third point, bitmap image scale properly and vector graphics image are good at scaling. Fourth point, in bitmap, good for representing a realistic scene. In vector, good for the image having a large area of constant color. Point 5, in bitmap, on scaling, borders start appearing a zigzag, and vector, the change in a scale. The bitmap have a 6 point, such the image are suited for the web application. For vector graphics, unfortunately not suited for the web application. Bitmap 7 point requires more memory compared to the vector graphics. In a vector graphics, requires less memory compared to the bitmap image. Point number 8, in bitmap graphics, modification is difficult. In vector graphics, modification is easier because the formula are we use. In 9 point, conversion from bitmap to the vector graphics is difficult. In vector 9 point, conversion from vector to bitmap graphic is easy. And last point in a bitmap, that is example is JPG, GIF, BMP image extension are used, and in vector higher level language packages like Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Logo, PostScripts are used. Next one is basic graphics pipeline. In a computer graphics, a basic graphics pipeline is a construction model that describes what steps graphic system needs to perform or process of mapping 3D scenes to 2D screen. This graphics pipeline defines the primitive operation required for this mapping, and the graphics pipeline works in 3 stages: application, geometry, and rasterization. Now first see the application. Application stage, changes are made as required for the image. In geometry, it is responsible for majority of operation with the vertices, and in a restoration stages, vector graphics image format is converted into the bitmap image and sent then to the screen. For geometry and restoration have another stages that we will be discussed to the next presentation. Now see application of computer graphics. There are use applications of computer graphics. Let's start with CAD, design, computer art, education and training, multimedia, presentation graphics, scientific and engineering graphics, internet, graphical user interface, simulation, desktop publication, DTP, medical application, computer entertainment. First application is entertainment. Computer graphics is commonly used in film industries for making animation and cartoon movies, for providing special effects of the scenes, television, shows, etc. Sometimes the character itself it is displayed as a graphic object, and sometimes it is combined with the real scenes and object. In game industries, computer graphics focus on interactivity. It is a very cost-effective solution and avoiding the computation and other tricks. Next one is education and training. The other promising application area of computer graphics is education and training. Nowadays in a market, many educational toolkits are available for a child education. They can be learned through the videos and animation. Thousands of the simulation software are available to understand the behavior of certain process and environment of response the system. The training a person for training a ship captains, aircraft pilots, heavy equipment operators, area traffic control, and computer art. Computer graphic plays a major role in fine arts and commercial arts. Various computer method, symbolic package, software package, CAD package, etc. are used by the designer to generate a computer art. Using such package, the artist can easily design shapes and can be add medical. Different types of imaging tools such as the X-ray, ultrasound uses a image processing to diagnose a graphical user interface. The old computer systems were mostly command-based system. The user had to write commands to perform any task. But with the introduction of computer graphics, things have the change. People get more interested in a graphical user interface. It is very obvious that nobody would like remember or write a commands. GUI provides easy use of interface with the more accuracy and a quick access time. GUI package allow to design and interact with the multiple windows like menu based selection, mouse, keyboards, zooming of object, dialog box, scroll bar, grids, 3D interface, and etc. simultaneously. Computer aided design. It is used the graphic to design components and a system such as the buildings, automobile, aircraft, watercraft, computer, textile, and many other products. AutoCAD software was the first CAD program. Next one, presentation graphics. Plotting of the graphics and chart in a industry, business, government and educational organization, drawing like bars, pie charts are very useful for a quick and good decision making. Next, image enhancement. It used to improve the quality, removes the noise from the image processing. It is used to process image by changing the property of the image or modify the interrupt existing pictures.